What can you do if you're on an airplane and the passenger in front of you or behind you engages in rude, offensive behavior that infringes upon your personal space? Hi, Rich Gallardi here with Shane Smith Law. What are your rights as an airline paying customer when other passengers cross the line with rude behavior? Let's take a quick look at a picture and a short video. With respect to the picture, the girl was politely asked to move her hair from the seat over which it was hanging and keep it on her side of the seat. She complied without any issue, no problem there. In the foot video, this guy puts his foot on the armrest of the passenger in front of him, and this man dumps water on it, as you saw, and he moved his foot then back to his own space, and there was no issues beyond that. But sometimes passengers aren't so easygoing with respect to keeping themselves in their own personal space. Let's take a quick look at another video.
Disgusting.
I'm sure my foot is much cleaner than you.
Wow. Are you serious
I'm
right now?
very serious.
This is disgusting. You obviously have no manners. Who the hell do you think you are?
Manners.
What's going on here?
She has been putting her foot on my armrest. Her feet are just hanging out, not even her shoe, pushing my elbow off. I asked her so many times nicely. I am not nice anymore. This is ridiculous.
Sit down, relax, or I can push you off.
Oh my
Ma'am!
God. Oh.
Ma'am, what are you doing?
Oh,
Don't touch me. Don't. Whatever.
Wow, what drama there. And how unnecessary was that? The girl asked the woman to get her foot off her armrest. The woman deliberately and belligerently refused. A flight attendant then intervened. He tried to defuse the situation to no avail. Next, the woman with the foot that started the whole thing starts throwing luggage from the overhead bin. Ultimately, she's escorted off the plane. So what are your rights? What can you do when a person like that is infringing upon your space? There isn't a heck of a lot you can do. Aside from politely ask them to stop being obnoxious, you certainly need to ask help from the flight attendant if the person won't stop the behavior. Now, the flight attendants do have the ability to confine a person if this happens in mid-flight. If it happens on the ground, it's a zero big deal because as we see, you can just escort the person right off the plane. But if this goes on in mid-air, then certainly if the passenger is becoming unruly and interfering with any kind of flight attendant duties, which include safety issues, they can be restrained. For those obnoxious passengers who won't let it go and get restrained and ultimately charged and convicted, that's a federal offense that can come with prison time and hefty fines. Don't be a jerk. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Call us 24/7 with any legal questions, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.